baby. Don't be mean.
Claro que estoy seguro.
Esto no es necesario. No.
Diablo, ¿por qué tú eres tan negativo todo el tiempo, bro?
No es cuestión de negativo, hermano. Los casinos son el tipo de lugar donde la gente como tú y como yo perdemos el dinero.
Te lo juro que te voy a
Llévate
comprar
la
antidepresivo para toda tu vida cuando ganes.
Nadie apuesta
No.
10 millones de dólares al rojo.
Pues no lo apuestes.
Los apostamos en negro.
Bien.
Je ne va plus, merci. So this is your dream, huh?
It's enough for me, man. I take it that's your dream.
Absolutely. What up, boy?
What's going on?
You good?
Yes, yes.
You know what's crazy? There's only 4 of those cars in the whole world. Yeah, I got the only one in the Western Hemisphere. I made a sheikh in Abu Dhabi an offer he could not refuse.
Huh. That's a nice lady you got there, too.
Oh, absolutely. With Hanny. Yo, we gotta go, man. Let's do this.
Okay, I'll drive.
And that? Come on, man. No way.
No, not in this. In that.
Are you serious right now? Man, this is crazy!
Yes, I guess that means there are 2 in the Western Hemisphere, huh? Huh? What's your smart ass got to say now?
But you know what? We can always shine together, baby. Get dressed, man. We got things to do.
So where to now?
I don't know. Never been to Madrid.
I thought you wanted to go to Tokyo.
We'll get there. Eventually.